Good morning, welcome back. We are in Huddersfield. Got a big job. Do without it. Do a few little ones, to be honest with you. Keep you fresh, keep you on your toes. You can lose yourself in big jobs, but I'm going to stay positive on this one and get it done. So, what we've got is down there where Tom and Sean are, up to, yeah, it's loud, up to end of the house. It's just like 2 or 3 gravel bars just returning next to our neighbour's land. And then from here, it's 3 gravel bars and then a 3-foot panel. All the way down. There's 27 metres of that to the back corner. 8x4 shed. We're going to do a porcelain border just in case you can see crappy flags underneath. And then from here, we're leaving concrete in, obviously getting rid of these weeds. Porcelain entertainment area here, which goes down. You'll step down. They've just got this Indian stone path. They're going to follow that through and block paving from there onwards round to the front. It's about 100 square metres of block paving again. Nobody has 30 square metre drives anymore. Nobody. So this is going to be turf all the way through. We've got a concrete pad in middle. Bit of an old person's garden, I think, before, like greenhouses and sheds everywhere. Cable there, nice to see if that's live. But and then I think I'm going to check in my book, but I think there's a raised planter across the back. Yeah, should be a good one. Should be here 4 weeks, I think. I'm hoping 4 weeks. This is block paving. New manholes going in. And then at the front, there's going to be a pedestrian gate here with a 6-foot feather edge. That's what I do for everybody. And then at front is, I think it's about 90 or 100, I'm sure it's 100 square metres of block paving, yet to be confirmed. Going to try and sell them Sorrento, but I think they're happy with Premier 60 charcoal. Just a few stumps in there, but yeah, let's see how we get on. I'll keep you informed. Enjoy. Right then, so we've had a delivery, but all round back, a majority of it round back. So from the back corner in the far left, all the way down to where Tom and everybody is. Oh, look at this, neighbour's making his brews. Okay, we're getting a cup of tea. Nice. So we've done the section down there. And then from where Sean is there, grabbing precious goods, the brews, it's going 6 foot, 3-foot gravel board, and then a 3-foot panel on top of that. So we are gonna knock the wall down and then fit a few bays, knock a wall down, fit a few bays, just so we're resting up a bit and just not absolutely beasting it. But yeah, just in that section alone there's 45 gravel boards, so it's 3 gravel boards high per bay. It's quite an heavy fence, but it'll be worth it. Neighbours just giving me my weather report, and it's going to rain tomorrow. But fencing's always good in rain. Keeps you going, makes you work harder, keep warm. Let's get some walls knocked down. Come on. Raining today. I think it's only till dinner though, so it's not too bad. This is what I've done yesterday, this is what you've just been watching. So these 3 gravel bars, returning theirs. So here we've had to put 2 posts together because we are not touching that wall there. It just opens up too much on the other side. We'll end up knocking the shed down, rebuilding fences and everything, so we've just come out, double post it, and then that string line there is the back of the post all the way to the top. So we're doing 3 gravel boards here, these 2 bays, and then where it steps up here onto your porcelain, we've changed it. So let's get over this boggy bit. We've changed it to 5-foot panel and a 1-foot gravel board. So all them blue marks as posts. So they're on the top porcelain up there now. We're just gonna change it for him. It just looks a bit better when it's next to porcelain, doesn't it? So Sean's just doing something he shouldn't be doing in garden, but there you go. So we are cracking on today. A couple more time lapses. I killed it yesterday with time lapses, I know I did, but I was just cracking on. It was too hard. Just had to get done. Trying to get done today. 8 bays. need this weather to hold off, to be honest with you. I don't mind if we do a couple of bays in the morning, but really I want to start on porcelain tomorrow. Just because the house is derelict, people are coming in and helping themselves and stuff, so I don't want to leave too much stuff on site. So every time we get a delivery, chucking it round back and then making sure it's safe, basically. Covering it up. It's not really safe, is it? No, it's safe. So look at this. Got all this stone here and it is killing me getting rid of this. It's going to cost about 250 quid to get rid of it, and I feel like I want to buy a concrete crusher, whatever you call them, Tiger Bite out of the new products. I want to buy one for about 15 grand, get hardcore out of it, and then surely it pays for itself at some point. Surely it does. Has anybody got any? And just give us a comment and just a bit of advice on, do they pay for themselves? It's 15 grand's a lot, but if it lasts obviously a fair few years, just a bit high maintenance, it lasts a fair few years, then surely it's paying for itself. Surely. But next 3 months this is all we're doing, ripping out full gardens, so I would be using it, making most of it, you know what I mean? So yeah, right, let's get his dig on. Let's get fencing. Right then, fence is done. Couldn't get any time lapses in today. We're absolutely smashing it down all day, so I didn't want to wreck my GoPro. I haven't got any accessories to cover it up at the minute. So this is what we're doing up here. Oops. We are gonna have a sleeper coming across, like on an L around here with a raised planter, and then shooting off our way across there. So there's just tree roots galore, especially with this beast here. So we're just going to put a raised planter in there, and then we step down for the next porcelain patio. I've changed these were going to be 3 gravel bars, like I say. This one's got 2 because of a step down, but that were going to be 3 gravel boards and a 3-foot panel. But with it being an entertainment area, didn't look right, but it's not too bad for the side of the house. So yeah, looks good. Been heavy and wet and really muddy now. That'll all be getting cleaned up in the morning. Well, other 2 are laying. So yeah, man, there you go. Nice bit of nice length there. Right guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.